Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is to review physical products. Now, much like with the digital products, when you're reviewing physical products, no matter where you are putting your reviews out, if it is a YouTube, for example, or if it is a blog post, whatever you're trying to do, make sure to put affiliate links where your viewers can actually purchase those products down in the description. For example, if it is a YouTube video, then you can put it there. If it is a blog post, then you can directly link it into the text. So whenever you're trying to mention the product in the blog post, you can simply indent the affiliate link there. So when people purchase that product, you're going to get the cut of the affiliate sale. Now, when it comes to which products you can actually review, start with what you already have. And that's the advice that MKBHD and, for example, Unbox Therapy and Lou from the Unbox Therapy gave. When they got started, they didn't have too much money. They didn't have all of these different companies approach to them and giving them all of these products that they can review. They simply started by what they already had. So if you have a cool mouse like I have right here, and I really truly believe that this mouse is fantastic, it's the MX Master 2S, and you guys can get it in the link in the description below, because I think it really does fit your palm well and it does really help with the carpal tunnel, for example, right here. So I really truly believe that that mouse is great. So what I did right here is simply what I'm trying to tell you in this video. Whatever you already have, whatever you truly believe it's good and it's going to help other designers, try to review it either in the video form or either in the text form if you have a blog, and make sure to link affiliate links so people can actually purchase those products. It can be mouse, it can be a keyboard, it can be a monitor, it can be a processor, it can be a light, it can be decoration. So something like this, for example, can work really well because you can really send people to these kind of products and they can really purchase that. If, for example, people have eye problems, maybe you can review glasses for computers. So stuff like that, it's going to really help your audience. In terms of your audience, make sure to market products which really interest your audience. So if you're creating design related content and design related videos or blog posts, make sure to review physical products which actually interest other designers. So for example, different mugs, different mats, for example, mouse pads, different mouses, keyboards, microphones, monitors, stuff like that, which really interest designers. So make sure to follow your audience, see what they really like. If you're putting stuff on YouTube, make sure to see and to follow which kind of videos people watch, and obviously which kind of purchases they do make, so you can make sure to make more of that additional content. And over time, same like with all of these different business ideas and different business approaches, when you get big and when you start to gain some traction, when you get more subscribers, when you get more readers to your blogs, brands are going to approach to you and offer you products either to review or as a gift to review so that you can keep them. So there are basically two ways. They can either send you a product to review that you can bring back to them later, or they can either send you a product that you can keep as a present, but in turn you have to create a review about that product. Make sure you are always honest. Make sure that you are trying to portray products that you actually are trying to use and that you truly believe, and make sure that you can get your hands on the products you're actually trying to get other people to buy. Because as soon as you get a product that you didn't review but try to recommend to other people buy that product, they are going to destroy you in the comments that that product is terrible, that you don't know what you're talking about, and just there your career has ended, because all of these other people are going to come to that video, they're going to see it, and they're not going to purchase it. Therefore, make sure to be honest, because people are going to spend their hard-earned cash on these products. So make sure to be honest with your review, and make sure to review just the products you are truly believing and that you truly have some experience in using. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.